The Oscar Pistorius murder trial is underway in Pretoria, and a witness told the court he woke up after hearing blood-curdling screams the morning Riva Steenkamp died. Pistorius pleaded not guilty to murdering his girlfriend last year. He claims he thought she was an intruder. CCTV's Guy Henderson leads our coverage from Pretoria.
Oscar Pistorius has had the best part of a year to prepare for this, but surely not even the pressures of high-level athletic competition could have prepared him for the extraordinary scenes on day one of this trial. Chaotic at times outside the court as hundreds of local and international journalists massed outside the entrance of the North Gauteng High Court to try and catch a glimpse both of the accused, Mr. Pistorius, as well as friends and family, both of the Pistorius and Riva Steenkamp. Inside court, more controlled scenes, but no less dramatic. My colleague Dan Williams was following proceedings and filed this report.
In terms of Section 115 of the Criminal Procedure.
After all the hype, one of the most highly anticipated court cases in recent times was finally underway. The Oscar Pistorius murder trial has captured the world's imagination, and Judge Thokozile Masipa asked how the Paralympic athlete pleaded to the 4 charges against him, including that of the most serious charge of murdering his girlfriend, Riva Steenkamp.
Do you understand the charges, Mr. Pistorius?
I do, my lady.
How do you plead?
Not guilty, my lady.
Pistorius' lawyer, Kenny Aldridge, then read out Oscar's plea explanation. In it, they attacked the state's version of events, and in particular, that witnesses claim there was arguing in the moments before the shooting.
I deny this allegation and reiterate that there is no justification, whether legally or factually, for this unfair and incorrect allegation to have been made. The aforesaid allegation is also not supported by any of the statements disclosed to me by the state.
But the prosecution feel Pistorius has a much more serious case to answer.
Lady, we argue that the accused version during the bail application and today cannot be reasonably possibly true, should be rejected.
Dan Williams, CCTV, Pretoria.
So already emerging seems to be what could turn out to be key evidence during the course of this trial, and it's just the first day. There is, of course, only one eyewitness in court, though, and that is Mr. Oscar Pistorius himself. And we have learnt today that he will, at some point in the next few weeks, take to the stand to be cross-examined. Beyond that, a lot of this case could end up hinging on forensics, so bullet trajectories, blood spatters, those kind of tiny details presented by expert witnesses. It is, of course, also particularly upsetting, perhaps, for the mother of the victim, June Steenkamp, who was in court today, to hear details emerging about what could have been her daughter's final moments on that Valentine's Day evening. She had to walk out of court to a wall of cameras on her way out of court and into her vehicle. Throughout this trial, it's unlikely that she's going to get much privacy if she continues to attend court. Media are going to be covering every twist and turn of this trial. Elaine, back to you.